Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to forcefully delete any file that can't be deleted in any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. Say I have two files here, one is text file, one is RAR file. So let me try to delete one by one. So let me click on this delete, then click on continue. So you can see here you need a permission to perform this action. So let me click on this try again. So I'm unable to delete it, and let me try this RAR file also. Let me click on continue. So you can see here, so I'm unable to delete both this file, right? So in order to delete such file which can't be deleted, then what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search for one application named as Voice Force Deleter, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it and just click on this free download. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded, and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run the software installer. Click on I accept the agreement, click on next, click on next, click on install, wait for a few more seconds. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish and wait for a few more seconds. So finally you can see the user interface. So it's a very straightforward application. So what you need to do is you can just drag the file which you want to delete. So I have dragged both this file, and now on the right bottom you can see unlock and delete. So just click on it. It's asking to confirm. Click on yes, wait for a few seconds. So you can see deleted, and you can see both the files which were earlier unable to delete is now being deleted. So by using this application named as Voice Force Deleter, you can forcefully delete any file that can't be deleted in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.